Tracking your revenue by affiliate campaign or channel is crucial for understanding which parts of your marketing strategy are working and which need improvement. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to track your affiliate earnings effectively. Let's start by talking about why it's so important to track your affiliate revenue. Without proper tracking, you're essentially flying blind. You may think certain campaigns or channels are bringing in more revenue than they really are, or vice versa. The goal is to make data-driven decisions, ensuring you focus more on what's working and less on what's not. Now, the best way to track revenue by affiliate campaign or channel is by using tracking software. I've tested several of the most popular options, and in this video, I'll show you the software that I've found to be the most reliable and user-friendly for tracking affiliate earnings. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive free trial for this software that's only available to viewers of my channel. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is set up tracking links for each of your affiliate campaigns or channels. Most affiliate platforms give you the ability to create unique tracking URLs. These links will allow you to monitor exactly which campaign or channel the revenue is coming from. You can break them down by source, whether it's email campaigns, social media ads, blogs, or videos. Next, you want to make sure your tracking is linked to a reliable platform. The software we'll be using integrates with all the major affiliate networks and automatically records clicks, conversions, and revenue in real time. This means you don't have to manually track the data and can instantly see how well your campaigns are performing. You'll also be able to monitor each channel's performance, which is key if you're using multiple affiliate sources. Once your software is connected and set up, head to the dashboard. From here, you'll see an overview of your revenue from each campaign or channel. The dashboard usually shows clicks, conversions, and total revenue, but some tools also let you filter by date range, country, or device type. This allows you to dig deeper into your data and find insights on what's working and where improvements are needed. If you're running paid campaigns, it's also important to track the cost of those campaigns. Many affiliate tracking tools will let you input your ad spend directly. By doing this, you can calculate the return on investment, ROI, for each affiliate campaign or channel and make smarter decisions going forward. Make sure to factor in your ad costs to get a true picture of profitability. You can also set up automatic reports that are sent to you on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This is especially useful if you manage multiple campaigns, as it saves you time from manually checking data every day. With the software we're using, you can set customized reports that include specific data points you want to track, like revenue, clicks, conversion rate, and even the performance of specific links. As we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Tracking your revenue by affiliate campaign or channel is a game changer for optimizing your marketing efforts. The ability to see where your money is coming from and where it's going allows you to focus on the channels that are generating the most return. It's essential for making informed decisions that drive growth. To quickly recap, start by creating unique tracking links for each campaign or channel. Use reliable affiliate tracking software to link your campaigns and get real-time data. Dive deep into the dashboard for insights and filter the data by various metrics. Don't forget to track ad costs for a full ROI analysis. And lastly, set up automated reports to save time. Before you go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this tutorial. Just click the link in the description below. It's a perfect way to follow along with this video and get hands-on experience with tracking your affiliate revenue like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.